This is Good Grips Little Salad and Herb Spinner 4.0. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing to check the quality and how to use it. Let's get started. Oh, actually it's spinning inside. It's very smooth. It says remove the yellow foam before use. Alright. So this is the spinner. The plastic is super clear and it got some weight. I think the quality is good because the plastic is thick. You see the material is very beefy. So I don't worry about if the plastic gonna broken. And so for using it, you just put your washed vegetables, your grains into this basket right here, and then you just put this on. You see there's a little slider. You pull this slider and this center thing will pop off and you push. I will start to spin. So usually you're gonna spin for pump for several times to make sure that it can go pretty fast. So make sure that all the water is gonna spin off. And if you think it's alright, you just push this button. You see it's like a brake. And let's open the lid. You see the lid is pretty thick, the material. And including this one, actually this is the double lid. And this is the inside little basket. You see, even though I can press it, but it is still like 1/8 of the thickness of this plastic basket. Overall, pretty good quality. I think it can last a long time to use. And here in the bottom there's a little knob, so you just put this one in and it start to spin. And the whole thing is BPA free and you can put it into the dishwasher. Okay, you just put this part and this part will come off and you can wash them separately. And you put this one on. If you are not aligned to those little notches, you just turn and start work. It's pretty easy, simple design. Just put this one in and put the slider in, so this one will be locked and you push the brick, the job is done. Alright, I think this is a pretty good stuff. It's good quality and easy to use. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.